Are you looking for a new career? One that's rewarding and allows you to be your own boss? Then becoming a driving instructor might just be what you've been looking for. Keep on watching and I'll tell you all about it. Hi, I'm Howard, founder of How to Drive, and over the past 10 years I've helped many people just like you to become fully qualified approved driving instructors. You'd be in good hands. We'd walk you through our driving instructor course, and when you're finished you could join us as one of our full or part-time instructors. We use only specialist instructor trainers that are accredited by the DVSA, the people that set the test, to deliver our instructor training courses. You'll find this on the DVSA's list of official registered driving instructor trainers, or ORDIT for short. All your training will be delivered on a one-to-one basis locally here in Norwich, so you can fit in your training around your work and family commitments. You can earn as you learn with our trainee licence. This enables you to teach real learners for reward whilst you prepare for your final exam. So if becoming a driving instructor sounds like your cup of tea, then we'd love to talk to you. To find out how much you could earn and the many other benefits of joining our trainee instructor program, tap the button below to get your free information guide. Still not sure? Give us a call and we can arrange to meet up for a chat over a cuppa. I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.